So Moomoo is one of the most quickly growing investing apps out there right now. And so a lot of people are wondering, how do you actually make money on the Moomoo app? Well, in this video, we'll dive into exactly how you can use Moomoo to make some money for yourself, the different strategies you can use, and exactly how they work. So before we do, if you want to sign up for Moomoo and you have not yet, feel free to use the link in the description below and get up to 4 free stocks when you sign up. That link also helps to support the channel, so we really do appreciate it if you choose to do that. And without further ado, let's dive right on into the video. So first off, what actually is Moomoo? Well, Moomoo is a high-tech investing platform that goes above and beyond the capabilities and features of platforms like Robinhood. Because with Robinhood, you're pretty limited, the interface is very simple, and there's not that much potential for you to actually do research on different companies within the app. Moomoo is very different. They provide you with significantly more data and research tools for you to make investing decisions. Now, the core goals of Moomoo are to create a platform that is both technology first while also being very simple to use. So there's a lot more features than you find on many other apps, but they also try very hard to not make it very intimidating for newer people. That being said, if you are just getting started with investing, it could be a bit much for you to get started with. You might want to start with a simpler app first, but if you've got a little bit of experience in the markets, then it shouldn't be too much trouble for you to navigate the Moomoo app. A couple of the big selling points for Moomoo are free access to level 2 market data, which is pretty essential if you're looking to be an active trader, and extended hours trading. This ranges from anywhere from 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can be trading in the stock market. This is a much wider window than you're going to find on most other trading platforms. If you want a more comprehensive review of the Moomoo platform, you can find that right up here. Now, there are 3 main ways to make money on the Moomoo platform. The first of which is through their free stock promotion. So like I mentioned earlier, if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 4 free stocks just for signing up for Moomoo and funding your account. Now, the amount of free stocks you get is going to depend on how much you fund your account with, and that bonus does tend to change from month to month, so make sure to use the link below to check on the current bonus. Once you sign up and fund, those stocks will be deposited directly into your account, and you can choose to sell them or hold on to them for that profit. The next option you have for making money is through something called capital gains. So when you buy a stock, that stock can either go up in price, go down in price, or stay the same price. If that stock goes up in price and you sell it, then you recognize what are called capital gains, and you have a gain on your investment, thus making you money. So for example, let's say you buy a share of Apple stock for $100. If you hold on to that share for 5 years and it's now worth $200, you sell that for $200, you have now made $100. That is the second money making method on Moomoo, is to essentially buy low and sell high with different investments. Now, your third option for making money on Moomoo is through what are called dividends. So some stocks may choose to pay out some of their earnings to their shareholders, aka you if you own their stock, in the form of dividends. So back to Apple stock, for example, Apple currently pays a dividend to all of their shareholders. For example's sake, let's say it's a flat 2%. This means that for every $100 you have invested in Apple stock, they'll be paying you $2 per year just for holding on to that stock. Typically, that's split up into 4 quarterly payments. So in this case, every quarter, they'd pay you 50 cents for every $100 of Apple stock you hold. Let's say, for example, you hold $1,000 of Apple stock. In that case, you're going to be getting $5 in dividends every single quarter just for holding that stock, assuming the dividend rate was 2%. If at the same time Apple stock is going up in price, you're able to benefit from both the capital gains and the dividends, thus making you even more money through the Moomoo app. Now, some dividends will be paid out monthly, some will be paid out annually, but the most common time frequency is going to be every 3 months or quarterly. Once you receive those dividends, you can choose to either take them as cash and withdraw them from your Moomoo account, or reinvest them into more shares. This could allow you to take advantage of something called compound interest and allow you to earn even higher dividend payments every single quarter. So to recap, the 3 ways that you can make money from Moomoo are to 1, take advantage of the free stock promotion in the description below, 2, capital appreciation through buying low and selling high, and 3, through the payment of dividends on different stocks that choose to issue dividends. Again, not all stocks will pay dividends, but you can use Moomoo to screen for stocks that do pay dividends and invest in those if you do desire. Now, if you want a more comprehensive guide on how to make money with Moomoo, we've got one over on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for how to make money with Moomoo, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.